So in day 12 we are going to share something informative and very interesting, that we will ask to ourselves some questions and we will answer it by ourselves. Many beginners hesitate while speaking. If anyone asked, they don't have to say randomly, they don't have any answer to say. So this is the really practical method if we practice asking ask and answer series. As by asking and answering questions, you will be able to speak by yourself. You will be able to think in English by yourself. You will get pressurized, think in English very fast, and speak without stopping. You learn to speak without stopping. You learn to think in English. You gain confidence while speaking if you try to fix this kind of questions and answer series, and it's build confidence and real conversation. Yeah, so I'm going to in order to learn this asking answer series, and I'd like to give you some 10 simple questions, and you have to prepare it, because as you are going to learn this language, so you have to communicate. You will have to communicate with many people. You can start by AS Fluency app or PeerUp app. Yeah, it's a good platform as we don't get environment at our home. So if you communicate, then before starting communication, you will have to prepare yourself, that if anyone asks this simple question, this is the basic and simple question, you have to be prepared by yourself. If any communication start, then what will be going to ask by your side, and what you have to answer of this type of questions. So you should prepare yourself. I'm going to share 10 simple questions and you should prepare it very well. So first one is, what is your name? Before initiate any conversation, everyone will start asking this kind of questions, that is, what is your name? You can also ask to anyone, and you will have to prepare answering at the same time if anyone asks to you. So for that purpose I am sharing with you that, and it will not only for that purpose, but also it will be helpful for your learning purpose, for practicing purpose, and for building your confidence. Yeah, if you prepare yourself earlier, then you will feel confident while speaking, and likewise you will keep improving. Yeah, so my first question is, what is your name? Second, where do you live, or where are you from? Third question is, are you working or a homemaker, or are you studying? Fourth question, what is your favorite food? What is the best thing about your city? Where do you belong, and where are you from? What kind of things famous, what kind of attracting things are there? 6th number, who is your favorite person or a role model? 7 number, what is your favorite movies or show? 8 number, what are your hobbies? 9 number, what is your favorite season and why? 10 number, what do you want to learn next? Okay guys, these are the simple sentences, simple questions you should prepare before starting any kind of communication and communicate. You should prepare, then you feel very confident and happy while communicating. So prepare it very well and let me in comment box also. So friends, speak each question out loudly and the answer immediately. Record yourself while answering for 2 to 3 minutes and speak in front of camera. Then you will feel confident while speaking. And one more thing I would like to share, that while questioning yourself, you have to reply by yourself and very immediately without taking so much time, just for 1 minute, that what is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza, biryani, you can say, and I just love it because it tastes very delicious. So this kind of sentence you can just make mistake by yourself very immediately. What is coming in your mind, don't think too much and don't think about your mistake, because it can happen while as you are beginner. And if you are beginner or intermediate or advanced level, everyone can make mistake, because we all are here improving ourselves. So don't think much about your mistakes, just start speaking and think and pressurize your mind while speaking, that yes, you can think in English, not translating by Hindi in English. Just try to speak in English, think in English. That is the only key. Whether you are making mistake, don't think about that. Even native speaker can also make mistakes. So what about us? So you can speak slowly and clearly, yeah. And while speaking, feel confident. Don't get scared while speaking. It plays major role that whether you don't know answer, whether you are making mistake, it doesn't matter, guys. Just whatever you are going to speak confidently and express yourself well, that anyone can understand your words, your sentences, your feelings, whatever you want to make them understand. So, and one more thing, that try to use a new word while communicate on daily basis. It's very necessary if you want to improve your vocab and you want to that anyone pay attention. If you start speaking, then it is the only way that if you start using new words in your communication, then you will get prioritized or so you will get attention of some viewers. So this is the only way. So guys, I have shared my day 12 challenge, and that is questioning and answering. And if you practice this question and answer, and you answer by yourself very fast, so guys, trust me, you are on the way to start your speaking very fluently, because these are the things what I'm sharing. It's very helpful if any beginner want to start their journey to speak, to communicate with people. What are the key materials needed that one should prepare by themselves before starting any communication, before doing anything, one should prepare themselves. So just prepare yourself. I have shared these simple questions, and you can make by yourself, that if you communicate with anyone, whether it is Hindi, then what will be the question to ask to anyone, and then try to speak, try to translate in English, try to answer it in English. this process will be helpful for your English learning journey. So guys, bye bye. Keep practicing, keep learning, keep signing. One day you will reach there where you want to be. I'm on the way, so be with me. Thank you guys. Bye bye.